Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your OPPO Reno 3 Pro, for the first you have to go to the Google Play Store and you have to get application to transfer data. I recommend you to download application named Cloned. It's totally free and really easy to use. If you get it, just open it on both devices. Click Allow. Tap Sender on your Android smartphone and Receiver on your OPPO. Click on the search again. Right now, wait a little bit. Click on this Android share icon. This is our Android phone. And as you can see, we have two ways to connect. We can scan QR code, but also we can input the password. And the password you can find right here. Right now I'm going to scan the QR code, so I put my phone to my hand. And we have to wait right now, accept the request. And if you want to take everything, just select all of these icons and click start. And everything will be sent from your Android to OPPO Reno. But in my case, I'm going below for the details right here. And I will skip for the music. And I will send these 3 songs. Click on the start, tap on the OK to confirm. Click on the finished, and right now when we go to our file manager for the audio, you can find here all of the songs that we sent from our smartphone, Android smartphone to OPPO Reno 3 Pro. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and of course subscribe to our channel.